Next day, your overnight oats and chia seed will be very thick, like pudding almost. I like to stir everything together. Just leave it out on your counter for 10 minutes or so to bring it up a little bit closer to room temperature. The other thing that I like to do is scoop out about a tablespoon of the coconut oil and then microwave that until it is liquid and add it into the oatmeal. It takes about a minute until it turns into liquid. And then I like to add honey, just maybe a teaspoon of that, some flaxseed. I like to add some hemp seeds. And that's it. It only takes a few minutes to put together and then a few minutes in the morning to get it the way that you want it to be. You could do different fruits if you wanted to. You could mash a banana and put it in there. Pretty much endless opportunities to make this delicious. Thank you for watching.